Welcome to Bentolandia.
Usually, we start a new project in TSRW by cloning an object from the existing items. But the problem is, when we want to export it as package file, the latest TSRW version may give you error. We cannot even save the project because of this error. The solution is, exporting the project to Sims3pack File. Now we can reopen the project by importing the Sims3pack file. As you can see, we won't get the same error as before. We can even save the project this time. Let's import our WSO files. Now let's import our texture files. This is where the mistake happens. Usually new model will import the same files for different texture. As a result, there will be so many duplicated files in the package mod file. Let's export the project as package file. Now, as you can notice, the size of the package file is pretty big. It's 15 megabyte. Now let's export it as Sims3pack File. As you can see, there is compressing process here. If you don't like the Sims3pack file, you can just convert it into package file, using the Delphi's multi-Sims3pack extractor. Now we have only 4 megabyte package file. But if you look at the content of this package file, you can see the duplicated files here, because of the wrong importing texture files process. So, to reduce the size of this package file even more, we need to delete the duplicated files in TSRW. For that, you need to click on the Browse button. You can delete the duplicated files, or you can just delete everything here, so we can have a fresh start. Let's just delete everything, so we can see what will happen. Now we have missing texture here. We need to re-import the texture files first. For the second texture color, all you need is browsing the texture files that you have imported earlier. You don't need to re-import the same texture files to avoid a duplication file. You can do the same process for the material textures, for example, the normal texture. We can browse for the multiplier file to be used, as the alpha map, and the diffuse map. Don't forget to change the specular map as well. Then we can do the same process for every level of details. Now let's export it as package file. Now the size is smaller than the very first package file, but it's still bigger than the compressed package file. That's why we still need to export it as Sims3pack File. You can just convert it later to the package file. There is no duplicated file anymore. Now as you notice, we have the smallest package file now. It's only around 2.5 megabyte compared to the very first package file, which is 15 megabyte.
Thank you for watching. You may hit the like button. Also share if you like. And subscribe.